Hi grade 11s, I wanted to just touch base, make a little video, talk through the next couple of weeks with you. So as you obviously aware, we're looking at the Nike advertisement at the moment. We are doing this for two reasons. One, it's a possible IO text for you if you'd like to compare it in your individual oral, if you want to compare it to one of the literary works we've done. The other reason why we're doing it is because it's very possible that in your paper one next year, which is the written commentary, you get an advertisement, and we're giving you the vocab that you could use when trying to analyze an advert. Obviously, the ones we're looking at now are moving adverts, but there's similar vocabulary and similar intentions behind print ads and picture ads. So it's preparation for paper one. We're going to be doing a little bit more preparation in the upcoming weeks, so we're going to look at different text types. It's important that you're able to identify an appeal. If you get an appeal, well, you know that it's an appeal. If you get an editorial, well, you know that it's an editorial. If you get an obituary, well, you know that it's an obituary. So we do want to do a little bit of paper one practice over the next couple of weeks. A number of you have asked me what happens if we don't come back in May. What does that mean for our IOs? If you don't come back in May, it means that you won't do your IOs this year. It means that you'll be doing them when you come back in grade 12 in the beginning, probably the first month. And I know that's disappointing for a lot of you because the idea of getting it over and done with was really nice, and we were well prepared and we were ready for them, and now everything is delayed. If we do come back in May, then we will do them as planned. Even if we come back in for the last 2 weeks, we'll probably do it in the last 2 weeks just to try and get them done and dusted, because I know that a lot of you are ready to do them. When are you getting your feedback on the mock ones that you've done? I've marked them. They've gone off into the English department. They're being moderated. We're listening to each other's, just to make sure that we're marking in line with each other. I'm sure that's going to give you peace of mind as much as it gives us peace of mind that this is a new assessment and we're checking that the marking is consistent. And then the rest of the week we're just going to be so you should be able to get your IOs back at the end of the week. That was what I wanted to say to you. And I know this is a short week for you. I hope that you're actually having a bit of a rest and that you're managing. It's been a long time since I've seen you. We're missing you, but you're doing well and we're all doing our best. All right, so touch base if you have any questions.